Hi, my name is William, and today I'll be doing medication administration process demonstration. In this scenario, I will be administering medication to a person named Tanisha Johnson, and the day is March 3, and the time is 8 p.m. So, before I administer the medication, the first important step is to wash my hands. So after washing my hands, make sure that my hands are clean and the area where I'm administering the medication is clean. The next step is to look for the medication record. So this is the medication record, which is a book that consists of the recordings of the information like the times, the days whenever the medication is given. So in this one we get important information like the type of medication, the times, and also the previous administered medications. So from this, like I said, our day is March 3 and the time is 8 p.m. So in this case, we check this information like the name of the medication I'm going to administer. In this case, is phenobarbital. The brand is Luminal. The strength is 32.4 mg. And the dosage is 97.2 mg, which means the amount is going to be 3 tabs, and the route is going to be mouth, and the frequency is daily in the evening. So daily in the evening around 8 p.m. like this time. So after checking this to make sure that everything is okay, all the information is consistent with the person that I'm supposed to administer to, the next step now is to unlock the medication, because medication is supposed to be stored in a safe and secure area. So in this scenario, the medication is stored in this box, so I have to unlock it and take out the medication. So I unlocked and take out the medication. This is our medication. And so after doing this, the next step now is to check the HCP order. So I have to go to the HCP order to check again the consistency of all this medication. Like you have to check about like the name, all the information that is here about the medication treatment orders, if the allergies, the dates, and everything, every information, important information will be here. We check it again to make sure that there's consistency. And again, if when I'm satisfied, the next step now is to, after getting satisfied, the next step now will be pharmacy label to medication sheet. So pharmacy label to medication sheet. I took my medication here. I check the pharmacy name, like Greenleaf Famous. This number also is very important. The name of the patient, Tanisha Johnson, the type of the drug, the dosage, also the important information about the frequency. So all this information is important. So I check this information and compare it with the information here on the medication sheet, like the name of the drug, the dosage, the strength, the frequency, and the route. So after make sure that everything is consistent, now I prepare the medication. This is the next step now. So here I will be preparing the medication like 2, 3 tabs. All right. So these are our three tabs, like as mentioned in our sheet here, record sheet. So again, I prepare my medication. Before I administer, again, I have to check to make sure that famous label here is consistent with what is here. I check again the famous label, this information, Tanisha Johnson, the name of medication, the brand, the frequency, the dosage, and everything. I check again here if everything is consistent with what is here, right? So after making sure that everything is consistent, this medicine will be given by mouth, like, which means I have to provide a cup of water and the medication to Tanisha Johnson. So after giving Tanisha Johnson the medication and make sure that she drinks, so after she takes the medication, I look like silent and look like try to see, give a moment of silence whilst I'm just observing. So after that, now the next thing now is to record this kind of information. So to record, I go back to the medication sheet. Like I said, today is 3 March here, 3 March here, and the time is 8 p.m. when I'm giving this medication. So I have to write my initials here to record that I've given the medication. So after writing my initials here, also I have to sign down here, to sign again, to sign, to make sure that I have recorded. So after signing and writing everything, I have recorded that I've given this medication to Tanisha Johnson. So now, after finishing recording like this, if the medication that I've just administered is like from the countable controlled medications, I also have to record it in this book, which is used to record the countable controlled medications. So I also record it. That is if it's among that type of medication. After recording, the next step now is to take back the medication and lock it back to where it's supposed to get here. I lock it back to where I'm supposed to put it and return it and make sure that it remains safe and secure. So after unlocking it, I have to wash my hands, after administering the medication. So after washing my hands now, the next thing now is to observe, to see how Tanisha Johnson is reacting to the medication that I've just administered. So with this, you would have finished the medication administration process. And thank you very much.